Online Best English.
Let's start.
What do you do during your lunch break?
I eat lunch and chat with colleagues.
When do you finish work or school?
I finish work at 5 p.m.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
How do you start your day?
I start my day by brushing my teeth.
What do you have for breakfast?
I usually have toast and coffee for breakfast.
When do you leave for school?
I leave for school at 8:30 a.m.
How do you get to school?
I take the bus to get to school.
What activities do you enjoy in the evening?
I like watching TV or reading in the evening.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go for a run 3 times a week.
How often do you visit friends or family?
I visit them once a week.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is painting.
Do you cook your own meals?
Yes, I cook dinner every night.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
How often do you go shopping?
I go shopping once a week.
What kind of books do you enjoy reading?
I enjoy reading mystery novels.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling to new places.
What's your dream destination?
My dream destination is Paris.
Do you speak any other languages?
I speak a little Hindi.
Do you play any musical instruments?
No, I don't play any instruments.
How often do you go to the gym?
I go to the gym twice a week.
What's your job or occupation?
I work as a teacher.
Do you watch TV every day?
Yes, I watch TV every evening.
How do you spend your weekends?
I usually relax and go out with friends.
Do you enjoy outdoor activities?
Yes, I love hiking and camping.
How do you relax after a long day?
I relax by taking a hot bath.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sister.
Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I enjoy photography.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
What's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is science.
How often do you check your email?
I check my email every day.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I love dancing.
How many hours of sleep do you need?
I need about 8 hours of sleep.
Do you have any phobias?
No, I don't have any phobias.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I find cooking enjoyable.
What's your long-term goal?
My long-term goal is to travel the world.
What do you do for work?
I work as a receptionist.
How many days a week do you work or study?
I work 5 days a week.
What's your daily commute like?
I take the subway to get to work.
Do you enjoy your daily routine?
Yes, I find my routine comfortable.
Do you have any specific goals for this year?
My goal is to learn a new skill.
How often do you clean your living space?
I clean my apartment every weekend.
Do you prefer to cook at home or eat out?
I usually cook at home.
How often do you visit your family?
I visit my family once a month.
What do you do in your free time?
I read books or watch movies.
Do you have a specific morning routine?
Yes, I have a morning routine.
How do you handle stress?
I take deep breaths and relax.
Do you have a preferred mode of transportation?
I prefer taking the bus.
How often do you check your phone?
I check my phone frequently.
Do you like to attend social events?
Yes, I enjoy socializing.
How do you stay organized?
I use a planner to stay organized.
Do you have any health routines?
I exercise regularly for my health.
What's your go-to beverage?
I prefer drinking water.
Do you have any close friends?
Yes, I have a few close friends.
How often do you take breaks during work or study?
I take short breaks every hour.
Do you enjoy outdoor activities?
Yes, I like hiking and biking.
Do you have any daily rituals?
I meditate every morning.
How often do you update your wardrobe?
I update my wardrobe seasonally.
How do you stay motivated during the week?
I set small goals for myself.
Do you enjoy learning new things?
Yes, I love learning.
How often do you take vacations?
I take vacations once a year.
Do you have any specific career goals?
I aspire to become a manager.
How do you unwind after a busy day?
I take a relaxing bath.
How often do you try new things?
I try new things occasionally.
Do you have any specific dietary preferences?
I eat a balanced diet.
How often do you listen to music?
I listen to music daily.
Do you have any weekend traditions?
I have a Saturday movie night tradition.
How do you plan your daily schedule?
I use a planner to organize my day.